Hello, hello. Seems like my tool to cancel the noise doesn't cancel my dogs. Well, all right. So let's go. Let's go for today. Let's go for today. All right. So, hello everybody. So here we are. Welcome back to the streams. So here's the thing. So what do we did on the last stream? So we did the So what I did was working on the conversation system, and then I refined the conversation system a little bit, even more outside of the stream. So we got something that's actually quite good, I would say. So I added some couple of small touch, like the fade in, fade out, fade to black every time you're loading a scene or you're loading the world map. We have the conversation that is working. So now you see that I also did a fancy. Ooh, we got a weird stuff happening here. Okay, so you see that I work a little bit also on the presentation for the conversation. So we have this comic style dialogue box. I think is interesting. I like it. Then we can open the world map. So that's one thing also. So that's great. And the world map is quite quick to open. It's great, and we don't lose the position. Oh, fuck these errors. We don't lose the position of the main character. We don't lose the position of the also of the guest house. So the guests are still living their life even if the world map is open. So we are not loading a new map. It's like it's all in one map, and stuff is still life is still happening even if your world map is open, which is great, I think. And yeah, so also what I did is I spent a little bit of time to refine the animation for the main character. So I polished a little bit the running animation. I also polished the stop animation, which is now more fluid, more smooth. And I also worked on the jumping animation. Now we have a nice jumping animation with the landing. Also we have an animation for the landing. So I think it's looking already much better. I have a better feeling in the game, which is great. So now the question is, what do I want to do now? What's gonna be my next steps? Because frankly, right, this couple of weeks I feel like I'm on a roll, and I'm moving faster than I thought I would be, and I'm able to do the task I planned a lot more quicker than I anticipated, which is a great thing. But now I need to find what needs to be my next target for the next couple of weeks. So I'm gonna open my codex, and I'm gonna check what I have in store. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, so we got the implementation. Implement the return to the guest house after the mission is complete. Oh yeah, so that's there is this, it's true, but there is also something I need to implement, which is the make the link, make the mission pop on the world map when we accept it from a guest. That's one thing that I need to do also. It's gonna be for me, and it's gonna be priority high, I would say. And let's go with this. So it's probably what I'm gonna do today. How do I move this? Okay. Here it is. Okay, I get it. Yep. All right. So I decided that it's gonna be what we're gonna do today. So right. So here's the thing. So that means first of all, I mean, how do I determine the pin location? That's gonna be the first question to answer there. So let me load the world map. Do I want to do this now? That's the question. Do I want to go that deep and already create this system for this, or do I want to keep it simple and just having just a... Oh, you know what? Just keep it... I'm just gonna keep it simple actually. So okay, so I'm gonna open this pin here. And we're gonna make it, we're gonna create custom event. That's make active. So we're gonna call this make active. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna make it visible into the game. So that's what it is. So hidden in game. We're gonna call the hidden in game. Can I call this on the actor? Yeah, okay. And also we're gonna create a boolean value for this. I want to start by default. I want it to be hidden. Perfect. Let's not forget to do the same event, but for one we want to deactivate. No, I don't like the naming. I'm gonna go with the activated, deactivated. Okay.
ここらから湾の向こうまで私が出てるって聞いたんだが、違ったかね。この時間はみんな漁なんじゃないか。なんだ。じゃあ。
So let me check how. Okay, first of all, I want to check how do I call this. Am I calling this from here? Oh yeah, it's true, it's because this one should not be referenced by anything now. Same for you. Normally I should be able to delete this one. And then this one. This one stays. Okay, init warm-up on. Right. So okay. The way I'm doing, alright, so I think the best way to do this is to, whenever I'm accepting a task, I will spawn at the same time a pin on the world map. But the world map won't exist. Okay, no, it's when I'm it doesn't make any sense. It's when I'm opening the world map, I should spawn the pin I need. Instead of, right now I'm getting all the actor, which is it's not the way to go. So I want to check on this. Right, so we have these task objects. Okay. So we're gonna put that into our, well, this one is perfect. So here we go. So we got, all right. So that would be the perfect place where I want to put the location of the pin. A proper way to do this is to do this according to the by taking account the transform of the world map. doesn't happen here. Alright, so for now I'm just gonna copy I'm just gonna copy the transform. So that means I'm gonna need a new function, a new variable. I mean, it's gonna be the transform. Map, and it's gonna be type transform. No, wait, because actually what I want is I want to put that into the base actually. That's annoying. Alright, back to it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to redo everything from the OBG task. I'll need this one, and I also need this one. So the transform, I'm gonna put it at this level in transform. Like this. Cool. So I'm gonna copy the transform here. So I'm gonna copy the location and then the rotation. All right. So I should be good to delete it. Although I'm not gonna do it yet. Well, maybe I'm just gonna move it away. Alright, so here's the thing. It's when we are creating a task, I also want to... No, when we're gonna init the world map, instead of getting all the actor here, I'm gonna get... What I'm gonna do is... I don't have the controller. Surprise me. I never get a reference from the controller, it seems like. Is it possible? Okay. All right. Oh, I'm stupid. I am the controller. Okay. All right. So what do I need? I need to. Wait a minute, because where is this task manager actually? I thought it would be attached to the. So it's attached to the arrow. Does it make sense? Is it what I want? Did I put that? Alright, so I put that into the task manager. Wouldn't it be better to put that into the controller actually? That would be better because I'm switching the. Yeah, no, it would be better to put that here actually. So that's what I'm gonna do, is the VPC task manager. I put that onto the controller. So the thing is, now I need to when do I need to do the when do I, for example, when do I add a task? Who's calling that? But it's also on the game instance actually. Right, so it's the multitask. Alright, so I shouldn't do it like this. I should get the player controller actually. Cast to a BP controller in player.
So you're a wanderer then?
I've been held up in this city for a while due to the rain.
Oh, I see. So as soon as it stops
And do something like this.
I hope that the rain will never stop.
Right, so it should not bring anything. Hey, salut Neo, how you doing, man? Comment ça va? T'es toujours là, hein? Tu rates jamais un stream, hein? C'est bon ça. T'es sûrement le plus régulier d'entre tous. Ah, c'est bon ça. Je stream plus? Ou plus? J'ai l'impression de garder à peu près le même rythme qu'avant. Ok, so, alors, add task. Ok, je vais déjà voir si ça fonctionne. Si j'ai rien cassé. Ah, ok. Ben, en fait, c'était surtout que j'ai eu pas mal de jours où j'ai dû annuler des streams. Ah fuck, ça marche plus maintenant. Il y a eu des moments où j'ai dû annuler des streams. Et mais du coup là je suis revenu à un rythme normal, ce qui donne l'impression que je stream plus en effet. Aïe aïe aïe, j'ai tout cassé. Bon. J'ai vu tes nouvelles bulles, elles sont géniales, merci beaucoup. Elles seraient encore mieux, un peu branlantes, genre avec 2 frames d'animation. Ouais, ça pourrait être quelque chose que je pourrais ajouter. Même si, pour être honnête, j'ai eu un peu de difficulté à les faire marcher comme je voulais, dans le sens où comme je sais jamais la taille qu'aura la bulle, il faut que j'arrive à les faire de façon flexible, tu sais, qu'elles puissent. Je voulais pas juste faire un scale, donc c'est pas juste un scale uniforme, c'est plus qu'elle s'étire au milieu en fonction de la taille du texte. Mais ce qui fait que normalement, tu sais, la petite languette, elle reste toujours la même taille là, il n'y a pas de scale sur la bulle. Maintenant, si je fais de l'animation, ça risque de péter un peu mon système. Tu t'es même pas pris la tête à placer la pointe dynamiquement. Au début, c'était l'objectif que j'avais. À cause de ce que je suis en train de t'expliquer, j'ai pas réussi à le faire. Au début, c'est ce que je voulais faire, mais j'avais même fait le shader pour ça et tout, il marche. Mais ouais, je me suis rendu compte que ça allait devenir plus compliqué que ce que je pensais. Hey yo, what you doing, brother? Hey yo, Niyat. How you doing, man? I'm doing right now we're still trying to do the first game loop of the game, so it's mostly some adding a couple of small features so that I can play the game from having a loop. So that's I'm in my guest house. I can welcome a guest. Talking with him is gonna unlock mission. This mission is gonna unlock teleportation point from the world map where I'm gonna be able to teleport to a new location where there's gonna be a bunch of enemy that I'm gonna have to kill, and when I'm killed all the enemy, I'm gonna be able to teleport back to the guest house and then welcome new customer that's gonna give me new mission, etc, etc. So that's the loop I'm trying to get. It's the objective. So the goal here is not to do something sexy, it's just to have something that just the bare bone of something that is working. So then it will give me a better feeling on what's the game, and I can iterate on this. So I'm trying to rush as quickly as possible to have this first game loop. So that's why I'm doing a small crucial implementation of crucial features, even if it's just the bare minimum. Right now what I'm trying to do is that when you're accepting a mission from a guest, it needs to pop on your world map. So that's what I'm trying to do, so that you can select this on the world map and then be able to teleport on a new location. Alright, so for some reason this is not working. So I'm gonna put I'm just gonna put a breakpoint here and we're gonna check what's happening. Alright, so accept the mission, yes. Alright, so breakpoint. Oula. Oula. Hello, is there someone here? Holy shit. Holy shit, as it is good or it is not good? Yeesh, alright, I'm gonna kill it. We're gonna try again, but this time I'm not gonna put the game in full screen. We'll see. Alright. Oh fuck, I went too quickly. Very similar to Naruto game, very good. Thanks, man. I think the I think you got the Naruto vibe because of the color I chose for the main character, which is like the orange and the blue, which is actually it's not really a coincidence. It's like the Naruto and Goku. Son Goku is my reference for that. And yeah, I also wanted to have a main character which has the same color pattern, you know. Seems like it's working very well for Naruto and Son Goku, so why not for me, right? And yeah, of course, so of the cell shading, you're right. Okay, so what do we got? So you got the VP control in player, so you should be good. You should be good. So it's giving me this. Do you find? You do. You find something here. So you should call the task. Yes. All right. So. OBG tax clear the road, so we are doing something here. So we are adding something like OBG tax, so this is working. So we are constructing the object, we are adding that into task object. So now we got one which is the good one, and now we are calling the event dispatcher. And the event dispatcher, so now we are here. So it seems like we have an issue with the it seems like actually it is working. Okay, let me check something. So actually it seems like it is working correctly. It's just on the UI side that it's not working. So let me open the oh, mon système de character creator fonctionne à niveau très basique mais sans bug. Du coup, création de pièces d'armure ça tenait. Nice, ça avance toi aussi, je vois. But yeah, Nihat, if you're not familiar with the game I'm trying to do, it's gonna be a mix between a really action dynamic hack and slash game inspired by a game like Bayonetta, Naruto, Bayonetta, Devil May Cry. So this kind of game, something like could be made by Platinum Games, is what I'm trying to achieve. But you would also have a sequence where you are managing a guest house in the middle of the desert. So right now this is what we are working on, and that would be more chill and relaxing time. So I'm trying to have a balance between, I'd really like to be able to make a good contrast between the really fast action hack and slash game with something more relaxed and chill like the guest house. So that's the main idea here. Alright, so now I need to find the UI. I think, how do I call this? Task maybe? Yeah, so this one. Yeah, alright. So it's making sense. It's because yeah, now I need to make the get player controller. Now it should be good. Yes, here we go. So now we got the mission that's pop up on the UI in our screen. So this is working. Hey, Sleepy Mushroom, how you doing, man? How you doing? Okay, so now it's working. So now I can get back to what I was trying to do initially, which is dynamically spawn pin on my world map depending on the task has been as I have accepted. So here's the thing: I want to do this when I'm opening the world map. So it's gonna be here. It's gonna be inside this. It's gonna be there. Right, so first stream here. So what are we? I was just explaining this like 5 minutes ago. But it's good. So that's mean now I'm getting really good at this. What I'm trying to do is hack and slash game. So the name of the game right now is SILKROAD Projects. The idea here is to do a game, a hack and slash type of game inspired by a game like Bayonetta, Devil May Cry, anything that looks like it's been done by Platinum Games, roughly. But I would also want to mix that with more chill and more calm moments where you would have to manage a guest house. So the idea here is to have a contrast between reaction, adrenaline pump moment where you are fighting. It's really action packed, and then it's gonna be mixed with what I'm working right now, which is where you are managing a guest house in the middle of a desert, where time kind of stop, everything is chill, you don't have to stress. It's a relaxing moment where you just have to tend to the customers that come to your guest house and be a good host, and that's the idea here. So as you can see, right now I'm trying to work a little bit on the simulation in the guest house. So it's really early, it's really rough. It's the part where I didn't put the least amount of work right now. But the good thing is I can, oh well, obviously now it doesn't work because I removed the pin, obviously. So Devil May Skyrim with Bayonetta mechanics. Okay, you're gonna see. If I'm loading the it's a little bit more tricky than that, because if I'm loading the correct map, so let me just fix again. Let's go like this. Now it should be good. So now I should be able to go to the world map. Hey, you're not. Oh yeah, I know why. Stay with me, it's gonna be good. know it. I need to remove the hidden. Here we go. Take 3. It's gonna be the good one. I'm opening the world map, so now if I'm loading a map, here we go. So the idea is then you're gonna load on a new environment where you're gonna be able to fight your way. And you see the tricky things here. Well, not the tricky things, but the I would say the stuff that is different from other games is that you're not alone actually. You are fighting with a spirit that is following you around, and you are controlling actually 2 characters at the same time. And that's what's gonna make it interesting, I think. How long have you been doing the game development for? How long have you been, like you mean for this project or in general? Because it's not my first project, and it's not even my my first experience in the game dev. For this project, it's hard to answer because it's I started this project like several years ago, but never worked on it really. I would say I started to work pretty seriously on it maybe 2 years ago, but I worked. Yeah, I started. I would say the first idea of this game come like maybe four years ago, something like this. But if you're talking about my experience in game dev, I'm lucky to be able to say that now it's 12 years. Yeah, now it's 12 years. I have 12 years of experience as a character artist. Add material in world map. Yeah, it's planned to. At some point, I'm gonna have to, obviously, but it's too early for that. Did I just see a black Fresnel on the spirit? Yes, there is one. There is one, but there is a small one, just to thicken the outline, I would say, if that's what you saw on the spirit. For this game, and a little bit about yourself, personal experience. So yeah, it's mostly what I said. So yeah, this game is yeah, I would say like seriously, it's been 2 years ago I really started working on it. But again, I'm working on this during my spare time, so it's not even a full-time job. It's just whenever I got the time. So progress is not fast because I have a job on the side, obviously. So progress is not fast, but progress is steady, which is great actually. And who knows, maybe if I can reach a level where I can have a prototype that feel really good, it could unlock some new opportunities. Let's put it that way, you know. It could unlock, I don't know, maybe I could be noticed by editors or stuff like this. So we'll see. It's true that I'm really enjoying this. And I'm having a lot of fun. And if I can find a way to do this full time, that would be awesome. But at the same time, I don't want to go too quickly on the full-time things. Right now, I think it's way too early. Even if I had a proposition from anybody, from an editor or something like this, I think it's too early. But I'm happy to say that the progress is steady. So I think it's the most important. Yeah, inking Fresnel. Yeah, exactly. That's the main idea here. Alright, so let's get back to I wanted to hide this first. So let's hide this again. Right, so whenever I'm gonna open the world map, I'm gonna want to spawn the pin where I need it to. So where do I look for the pin? So I'm gonna look into the game instance. Yes, so I'm gonna get the game instance. I'm gonna cast for PPG inst, and this where I should be able to get my task. Yes. So if I break this, no, what is it? The split? Wait. Oh no, it's struct. Okay, so yeah, I need to go into a for each loop. Like this. No, I can split the struct. Ah, but I'm not tracking the object actually. That's the thing here. So if I'm not tracking the objects, right, so we're gonna go with the controller actually. Right, so I'm gonna get component by class, unless I already no. Right. And I'm gonna get the task. No, what is it? Mission. How do I call this? Oh, I didn't put any task manager. So now get task objects. Here we go. So now we got the objects. So if I have the objects, now I can say for each of them we're gonna spawn, what is it? We're gonna spawn actor from class. The actor is gonna be pin. The transform, we're gonna get it from the object. Here we go. And we're gonna add this to our pin variable, so we're gonna add that. Right, so I don't need this anymore. Okay, so I also need to clean up a little bit when I'm closing the world map then. Right, so probably it's gonna be there, and what I want to do is destroy all the pin objects. So for each, wait a minute, I forgot something really important. Yeah, this one. So I have sequence there. Let's put it this way. Yes. So for each loop, and I destroy the actor, and I also want to clear the array. So that should be it. Let me check. So if I'm opening the world map now, we should see no pin, which is true. And now if I'm accepting a mission, fuck. Yes, so the mission is accepted. If I go back to the world map, we don't have any pin. Okay, so why? Because I forgot to because actually now I don't need to use the hidden thing, since we are dynamically spawning or destroying them. So yes, the mission is accepted. Going there, and we got, oh, that's interesting, we got 2. Oh yeah, because I didn't. All right, it's getting there. So if I'm opening the world map, there is nothing. And if I talk to someone, fuck, every time I'm going too quick. Yes, the mission has been accepted. I'm going back to the world map. Now we got the pin, and from the pin I can load the mission. Cool, it's working. So this is done. It is done. So now I need to implement I'm gonna implement the return to the guest house after a mission has been completed. We're gonna do this. So for this, we're gonna start into what is it? This one, I think it is. Yes. All right. So just to be sure, if I'm killing this group of enemy, so that's one. There is one that keeps spinning and spinning. Alright, just one. Mission completed, so this is working. So let me remember. I need to remember. How do I? Sorry. How do I check if a mission is completed? Is it in the level blueprint? Yes, it is. So, well, I think it's gonna be super simple. It's just that after 3 seconds, we're gonna be like, you know, load level. No. Wait, open level. Here we go. Super simple. The name of the level is L in base. Oops. Wait a minute. I want to play from here. Alright, mission completed. Boom, and we are back. We have this is, everything is working perfect. Like I can accept the mission again. Yes. Open the world map, close it. Alright, so everything's working. That's awesome. Tu as trouvé un moyen de dissolver l'esprit quand il passe devant la caméra? Parce que, ouais, alors, ouais, ça il va falloir que je le gère évidemment. Surtout, en fait, c'est surtout, ça arrive surtout quand, là, à ce moment-là, quand la caméra est pas en mode caméra de combat. La caméra normale comme ça, elle marche pas du tout. Ou en tout cas, pas comme ça là. Ce que j'ai pensé à faire à terme, j'aimerais bouger l'esprit en fonction de la position de la caméra. Faire en sorte que quand tu es en mode exploration comme ça, là, faire en sorte que l'esprit essaye toujours d'éviter d'être devant la caméra. Donc peut-être essayer de à chaque fois se mettre un peu sur le côté, lui-même essayer de toujours se mettre un peu sur le côté et puis essayer de changer de position, mais jamais être au milieu de la caméra. Ça pourrait être une piste. Ça pourrait être une piste, mais ça risque de pas être suffisant et de quand même avoir des moments où il va être au milieu de la caméra et c'est chiant. C'est quand il passe d'un côté, de la droite vers la gauche. Aïe aïe aïe, ces trucs de physique là, c'est vraiment chiant. Mais c'est une piste que j'ai, que je voudrais tester avant de voir si je teste une autre piste. Mais ça pourrait être cool. Ou sinon faire effectivement un système de dissolve. Sûrement que ça sera les deux en fait. Sûrement que ça sera les deux et qu'il y aura un système de dissolve quand le spirit veut absolument se mettre devant la caméra pour une raison que je peux pas contrôler. Mais en même temps, peut-être essayer de faire en sorte que ces moments-là arrivent le moins possible. Je pense que je le vois comme ça là. Ouais, et puis ça, c'est vraiment pas compliqué à faire. Hein. En termes de shader, c'est vraiment pas quelque chose de compliqué à faire. Il y a des, si vraiment tu veux le faire, laisse-moi ouvrir un matériel. Je sais que la fonction pour ça... Regarde, par exemple, j'ouvre un matériel au hasard là. C'est juste... Il y a quelque chose qui s'appelle... je crois que ça s'appelle Fade. Et alors, je pense que c'est... Depth... Non. Caméra Depth Fade. Voilà, celui-là. Celui-là, c'est juste... Ça va te donner la distance entre ton pixel et la caméra. Donc, tu peux le tester comme ça. Là. Tu peux... Si la caméra est vraiment proche... Si le pixel est vraiment proche de ta caméra, tu peux l'effacer. Tu sais, ça peut être... imagine que tout ce qui est dans une... Donc ça peut être déjà une piste. Ouais. C'est pas un truc de UE5 là. C'est vraiment... Tu vois, ça... Creates a gradient of 0 near to the camera to white at fade length. So... C'est ça. C'est plus le pixel est proche de la caméra, plus le résultat va être 0. Donc il n'y a plus qu'à mettre un threshold là-dessus là, et tu peux contrôler, tu peux faire disparaître les choses comme ça. Ça fera pas disparaître, ça fera seulement disparaître les choses qui sont proches de la caméra, mais ça fera pas disparaître les choses qui sont loin, mais quand même devant la caméra. Si tu veux faire ça, il faut s'y prendre autrement. Comment tu pourrais t'y prendre pour la... Peut-être avec le... J'y ai pas réfléchi, mais je suis sûr qu'il y a des moyens assez simples à faire ça là. Tes shaders sont des mondes de matériel fonction. Ouais. Bah tu sais les miens. Ah encore. Celui-là c'est pas si pire. J'ai vu pire. Tu l'as pas? Celui-là là, le caméra depth fade. Ou alors il s'appelle différemment dans UE4. Near camera fade. Peut-être c'est comme ça que ça... C'est... Ouais, c'est un exemple. Et donc lui il utilise quoi? Pixel Dev. Ouais, ou c'est vrai que tu pourrais juste utiliser le Pixel Depth. Ah. En fait, tu pourrais peut-être même aussi juste utiliser le... C'est vrai que... Il n'y a peut-être même pas besoin de s'embêter en vérité là. Mais... Non. Ouais. À voir. Ouais, tu sais, tu pourrais peut-être juste commencer par ça là, en vérité. Je sais pas pourquoi je me complique la vie. Non, dans le matériel, tu as quelque chose qui s'appelle Depth Fade. Non, Pixel Depth, celui-là. Celui-là, je suis presque sûr que tu l'as dans Unreal. Et donc ça te renvoie une valeur entre... Attention, hein, la valeur, elle n'est pas normalisée. Là. Donc ça veut dire que c'est pas entre 0 et 1. C'est entre 0 et... bah, la distance de ton pixel... en termes de distance. Ah, c'est pour ça. Non, c'est dans le matériel carrément. Donc après, tu sais, ça peut contrôler la transparence de ton objet en fonction de la distance de la caméra. Ok, cool. So this, I can say that it is done. Great. So what do I need? All right. So the next step is gonna be. So I need. Okay. So this one is gonna be more tricky than the one I did so far. So it's gonna be the ability to sleep and pass a day in the guest house. Okay. This one is gonna be more tricky indeed. Right, so I need to think a little bit how I want to treat this. What I would like is that if I'm going to the room, so let me go back to the inn.
Come on and ride with me. It go diamond in the bag, sunroof top, digging in the scene.
Right. So if I'm going to the rooms, so when I say the rooms, it's just this this thing here. I would want to have the ability to press the interact button and have the choice to say go to sleep. And if it does, if it does, we're gonna live life for yourself and give a law praise. So look out for your health to live some more days. Since a kid I was taught there's gonna be sad days. Okay, wait a minute, because now so keep it pushing till we reach that very we need to focus a little bit on game design here, because I realize it's not clear what I have in mind. Maybe let me get back to Confluence. Diamond in the bag, sunroof top, digging in the scene with a gangster lean. Ride with me. Come on and ride with me. So I bench press words to strengthen my vocal cords with several different repetitions of metaphors. I settle competition without a score. My rap explore different terrains without strange planes or automobile. I'm honestly ill with astonishing skill, scribbling words till these papers get filled. Press play and I will eat up your tape deck, crack the pavement below the underground, beneath the basement. With rage I'm racing with the beat, chasing the melody when I speak. Congratulate the rhythm with the feet that leave y'all sunk in your seat. Y'all punks about to meet the greater of both sides, similar to the creator, the most high. Time to prepare for the journey, let's ride. Time to prepare for this journey, let's ride. Gameplay qui a intérêt, je vais le mettre là-dedans.
Digging in the scene with a gangster lean. Ride with me. Come on and ride with me. It goes diamond in the bag, sunroof top, digging in the scene with a gangster lean. Ride with me. Come on and ride with me. It goes diamond in the bag, sunroof top, digging in the scene with.
Okay, so let me add something here. So
sunroof top, digging in the scene with a gangster.
Ouais, je vais commencer en français parce que c'est plus simple pour moi d'écrire en français. C'est plus rapide, on va dire. Par contre, je trouve pas le terme que j'ai en tête. Ah, je l'ai sur le bout de la langue. Je veux dire, c'est quoi le mot déjà pour dire, c'est quoi les étapes d'une journée?
Farewell.
Bon bah je vais mettre juste ça. Non là j'essaye même de parler en français là. C'est même en français que je trouve pas mes mots là. Je cherche un mot pour dire au bout de la langue, le principe. Routine journalière, ouais, c'est ça. Routine, c'était ça que je cherchais. Routine journalière. Ah, tu l'avais trouvé? Ouais. Bah c'était ça, exactement ça là. Ouais, c'est bon, tu l'auras. Neosoft. Dans les crédits, il y aura marqué je tiens à remercier spécifiquement Neosoft pour avoir trouvé le mot routine qui aura complètement débloqué tout le processus de création du jeu. Donc gros merci Neosoft, vraiment là. Là tu viens de sauver le projet là. Ouais, routine master on peut dire. Tu mérites un badge. Ok, donc routine journalière, matin. Les guests arrivent. Le joueur. Non, d'abord, avant de check-in les guests, on veut. Au début de la matinée. Le joueur peut check out les guests. Si les guests doivent. Merci beaucoup pour le following, thank you very much for the following, Sculpt Kid. That's very great. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing right now. Le joueur peut check out si les guests doivent quitter aujourd'hui. Yeah, great work. So some of it on Twitter. I'm like massively sick, so I'm gonna go sleep. But looking forward to seeing some more progress. Okay. Take care, man. All right. Have a good night. Rest. You need some rest then. But thank you very much for passing by and saying hello. That's appreciated. J'abandonne le pixel dev pour l'instant, j'ai 500 shaders à compiler à chaque... Ah, ouais, ça peut être un peu le... C'est un peu le problème. Si tu commences à... Ouais, si tu appliques... Après, est-ce que tu vas appliquer ça à tous tes objets? Le problème, c'est que si tu fais ça avec ton pixel dev, c'est que... Tu peux faire attention à ne pas l'appliquer de partout. Typiquement sur le sol, tu veux quand même que le sol soit là. Il faut que ce soit... Donc, ouais, sur le terrain, tout ça, là, applique pas ton pixel dev. Je te dirai. Mais oui, c'est un peu le problème dans Unreal, là, c'est que dès que tu fais des changements globaux de shaders, là, ça met une plombe à compiler tous les shaders, là, c'est absurde. Ok, so, au début de la matinée, we check out the guests, s'ils doivent quitter. Même avant toute chose, prendre des nouvelles des guests. Bah non, tu sais quoi, laisse tomber ça. C'est le moment aussi d'obtenir des récompenses. Bon. Selon les missions qu'on a effectuées. Séjour. Accueillir les nouveaux guests. Non, c'était plus pour mon autre projet que celui que j'ai mis. Pour mon autre projet, celui que j'ai mis de côté. Ok. Ouais, en général, il vaut mieux que tu testes ça déjà sur un objet. Si ça marche, appliquer ça sur tout le reste. Sinon, tu vas perdre tes cheveux. Tu vas t'arracher les cheveux. Ah, ok. Donc, accueillir les nouveaux guests. Je vais faire le check-in. Et puis on veut taper la discute. Et se renseigner s'ils ont... Si... Les guests n'ont pas de nouvelles missions pour nous. Ah mince! Trop tard pour les cheveux. Ah, je suis désolé, mais je comprends. Ah ouais, ça a marché? Ah, c'est bon ça. Bon, bah c'était facile à faire alors. Ok, bon, bah ça c'est pour le matin. On va dire, on va appeler ça la journée. Bah, à partir du moment, ça devrait marcher sur tout. Enfin, j'imagine que tu l'as mis sur de l'opacité. Enfin, ça contrôle l'opacité de ton objet, j'imagine. Donc, un objet émissif qui est transparent, il est transparent. Bon, c'est bon. Ouais, c'est ce qui me semblait aussi. Ok, donc la journée, partir en mission. Faire la bagarre. La bagarre. Et puis la soirée. Là, on... Les bagarres. En soirée, qu'est-ce qu'on fait en soirée? On fait l'animation. On fait la popote. On fait... On occupe nos guests. C'est ça le truc, c'est ça l'idée. Voilà l'idée de la routine. À peu près. Vraiment basique. Pole dance. Oui, ouais. Ça c'est sûr, c'est acté. Je sors pas un jeu s'il n'y a pas du pole dance. La possibilité de faire du pole dance. Non. Ça sortira pas. Ok, donc ça, so what this implies is that now we need to be able to track if we are in the morning, during the day, or in the evening. So we're gonna have to implement something like this. We're gonna have to implement kind of feature where the time is kind of passing. La cervelle de l'homme mort, le Joel, ça je connais pas là, j'ai pas la ref. Pour moi ma ref à moi c'était les petites annonces. Ouais, je sais, je suis un boomer. Ah, mais oui. Ça va par là. Ouais, je vois. Tout se met en place. J'ai les images. Et c'est bien sûr. Eh oui, mais moi, attendez, mais moi, j'avais déjà quitté la France quand c'est sorti. Moi, j'étais plus là, moi, j'étais déjà parti au Canada, j'étais devenu les redoutables Lopez. Ouais, les fameux Lopez. Alright, so alright. Do I want to do this now? How long does it? Yeah, I have the time to do this. Cool. So how do I track the? How do I track this? Probably in the game instance, actually. Probably in the game instance, that's where I'm gonna track the. That's where I'm gonna track the time actually. So I'm gonna track the date. I'm gonna track the period of the day. Is it smart to do this? No, it's smart. It's smart because if I'm thinking it must be smart. It must be. Ouais. Je pense que... Mais... Sauf que j'aimerais peut-être quand même mettre une limite au temps que tu peux passer, ou en tout cas aux choses que tu peux faire dans un... Et je sais pas encore. C'est ça le truc, c'est... je sais pas encore si je veux limiter le nombre d'activités que tu peux faire par période. Par exemple, est-ce que je veux faire en sorte que le joueur mette la priorité sur telle ou telle chose parce qu'il n'a pas le temps de tout faire? Est-ce que c'est quelque chose que je veux faire? Genre, ce soir, je vais me concentrer sur la cuisine et demain, je ferai un peu de jardinage, mais tu sais, parce que je peux pas tout faire en même temps. Maintenant, même si je mets une limite de temps, ça veut pas dire que j'ai besoin de faire du dynamique. Je pense que le dynamique, je vais vraiment... J'avais commencé avec du dynamique pour le jeu. D'ailleurs, tu peux le voir là. Si je lance le jeu, tu peux voir que les ombres bougent. J'avais vraiment travaillé sur un truc de... En ce moment, le temps est dynamique. Mais c'est pas une bonne idée. En vérité, c'est pas une bonne idée. Peut-être une limite d'action. Peut-être une limite comme... tu sais, une limite d'endurance où si tu fais trop d'endurance, tu vas être crevé et puis il faudra que tu ailles te coucher quoi qu'il arrive. Donc, ouais. Mais, est-ce que c'est nécessaire? En fait, ça le serait dans le sens où c'est comme ça que j'avais imaginé que la progression se ferait dans le jeu. C'est comme plus tu avances dans le jeu, plus tu es capable de faire des choses dans une journée, plus tu es capable de gérer plusieurs guests en même temps et plus ça débloque des choses. Cette progression, elle était là aussi. Hein. C'est de savoir, c'est de pouvoir dire au début t'es nul, tu peux gérer seulement 2 guests en même temps et t'es déjà crevé. Et à la fin du jeu, tu sais, tu peux gérer un manoir là avec plein de guests et aucun problème là-dessus. Donc il y avait cette idée là et l'autre idée que j'avais, et il faut pas oublier ça là, je voulais faire un truc. Alors je sais que ça c'est le truc je sais qui peut... On va dire que les chances que ça saute et les chances que ça se fasse canner sont peut-être le plus haut. Mais une des idées que j'avais, c'était de faire un truc où, tu sais, on aurait cette race de chinchilla. Tu sais, l'avatar que j'ai sur mon Twitter, là, l'espèce de statue que t'as là. Bon, ben, à la base, c'était comme des espèces de petites créatures qui vivent dans les alentours et que tu pourrais capturer pendant tes missions. Et en les capturant, elles viendraient... Ouais, l'espèce de hamster là, c'est ça. Et en les capturant, en fait, elles viendraient t'aider dans tes tâches ménagères dans ton guest house. Ce qui fait que plus tu es capable d'en capturer et plus tu es capable de les... Et au mieux tu les entraînes, au plus elles vont être efficaces dans l'aide qu'elles peuvent te fournir, et au plus tu vas pouvoir te développer. Et ça, j'aurais vraiment... Ouais, exact, des minions. Sauf que, tu sais, les minions au début, ils sont complètement stupides, et c'est limite si... Ils causent plus de problèmes que vraiment t'aider. Mais sauf qu'à force d'entraînement, et si tu les assignes à une tâche, par exemple, tu te dis celui-là de mignon, je vais l'assigner au check-in, et il va faire que du check-in, et il va devenir meilleur il va devenir super bon en check-in, etc. Ou parce qu'il a un trait de caractère spécial, comme il est social, et puis tu auras un autre chinchilla quand tu vas capturer qui va avoir un autre trait comme il est minutieux. Alors celui-là, tu voudras l'assigner sur, je sais pas moi, ranger les chambres par exemple. Tu sais, je trouve que ça aurait été vraiment cool. Ça aurait été vraiment cool, mais là je suis en train de m'embarquer sur un truc en termes d'ambition, c'est velu quand même. Hein. Ah, ok. Je disais, imagine, tu sais, tu captures des espèces de créatures ou de minions comme ça, et à chaque fois que tu vas en capturer un, ils auront tous des traits de caractère différents. Tu sais, tu auras celui qui sera social, et celui-là, tu pourras dire, ok, celui-là, je vais le mettre au check-in, parce que je vais avoir des bons bonus en le mettant au check-in. Ce qui me laisse le temps de faire la cuisine. Je vais pouvoir faire plus de cuisine. Ah, les gremlins, c'est ça. Et puis, le prochain que tu vas capturer, il va spawner avec un trait genre... minutieux, et lui tu vas le mettre au rangement, au nettoyage. Donc je me disais qu'il y avait peut-être un truc intéressant à faire de ce côté là, mais c'est beaucoup de job hein, quand même. C'est je m'embarque dans un truc vraiment ultra ambitieux entre faire un jeu de combat plus un jeu de gestion plus un jeu de capture. Là c'est ouf, c'est ouais, exactement. J'aurai le hamster en impair qui exhibe son autocollant en voyageur. Et lui, on l'appellera Neosoft. Voilà. Ça sera Neo. Bon. Maintenant, ok, il y a juste un truc que je vais fixer là-dedans. Je viens de me rendre compte que la caméra, j'aime pas ça là, le côté Constraint Aspect Ratio. Voilà, ça c'est mieux ça. Alors, on va garder. We'll start simple. I think we're gonna start simple with this, and then if I need more features, I'm gonna add more features later. But right now, I'm gonna try to just focus on the bare minimum and not try to over design something. So right now, all I need in the game instance to have a function that I can call where it can pass to another period of the day. So that's all I need for now. and just have a variable that keep the period of the period of the day and the date. Sorry, just give me 1 second. Alright, that's better. Okay. Let's do this. Let's go with the custom event. How should I call this? Jump to next period of day. Next period day. Yes, I think it's good. So I also need to track the period of the day. So period day. That's gonna be good enough, and I like to use enumeration for that because it keeps the thing more clear. So I'm gonna put this, where do I want to put this? In blueprint, in library base. Okay, where do I want to put this? Here. Yes. Let's go for blueprint enum. Period of day. I know what I'm gonna call this also. Period of day. So what are our period of day? So we got morning, we got, I'm gonna call this day, and evening. So day is gonna be in between morning and evening, if it's making sense, like in between early morning and late evening. It's not super clear, but I understand myself, so that's fine. Right, and so that's what I'm gonna. So that's gonna be the Bible. So we're gonna start in the morning. So every time I'm gonna press play, I want it to be in the morning. Right, so that's gonna be the default value, and every time I'm gonna jump to the next period. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna do a switch. So if it was morning, it became the day. If it was the day, it became evening. And and if it was the evening, it became the morning. So now we can keep track of the period of the day. I want to keep track also of the day. Okay, for now the day is I'm not gonna go with the fancy months, years and stuff like that. I'm just gonna keep track of integer number. It's just gonna be the number of the day, and for now it's gonna be enough. Next day. Current day. Let's go with that. And we're gonna start at 1. And this is gonna be super easy. It's just gonna be an increment. That's it. So alright, so here's the thing. So here is our guest spawner. So that's where the guests are spawning. So what I want to do is implement a thing where the guests are only spawning if it is morning. If it's not, we're not gonna spawn anything. So for this, I'm gonna edit. Do I want to do this into the guest spawn? Actually, no. I want to do this into the. I have something called the guest manager, which is controlling the spawning. Alright, so what do we have? We have the okay, so it's not really clean, but this is how it's working. So every time I'm resetting the spawn control, I'm spawning a new guest. I mean what it, okay. I should say spawn timer actually. Making more sense, and this is why I'm controlling how much I'm doing. So alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit more features into this. So I'm gonna start with the a main custom event that's gonna be start spawning guests. J'arrive au bout de mes prétextes à procrastiner, va falloir affronter ces pièces d'armure. Je te dis chaud, je vais passer en full concentration. Je te tire mon chapeau de réussir à bosser en commentant tout ce que tu fais. Merci beaucoup. Ouais. Pas simple, hein. Ah, c'est un métier. C'est un métier, monsieur. Bien sûr, c'est un métier, et puis je suis professionnel dans ce métier-là. Attention à laisser faire les professionnels, à ne pas reproduire chez soi, évidemment. Je te souhaite bon courage en tout cas, et merci d'être régulièrement sur le stream, c'est cool. À la prochaine alors du coup, et puis tu me diras où t'en es rendu avec tes armures. Allez, chaud. Okay, so that's gonna be our main custom event that we're gonna call. So where do I want to make the check of the period of the day? Do I want to make it? Nah. By the way, who is calling this? Oh, it's gonna be there. It's gonna be. We're gonna keep it simple. Remember, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Yeah, ça sera peut-être enfin montré public. Oh, nice. On s'approche d'une annonce publique. C'est bon ça. Right, I'm gonna make the check here for now. So I'm gonna say get the game instance. I'm gonna cast this to VPG instance, SILKROAD. Let's keep that into a variable, why not? And get period of day, and if it's equal to morning, then we start. We start the spawning of guests. So I'm gonna do this. So it's gonna be start spawning on the guest. We create a guest. And when the guest is created, we wait for 5 seconds. Actually, we're gonna put that here. So we're gonna do this. And after 5 seconds, we can say spawn start. I don't even need this actually. Actually, I shouldn't call this start from again. I'm gonna call this init. Init spawn guest, and I'm actually create another custom events, and this one is just gonna be called spawn guest. I don't even need the do once actually. So that's it, that should be it. So we should still see, nothing should change, and we still see the guest spawning. Yes, alright, cool. And it should stop at 3 guests. Alright. Okay, cool. This is working. This is working as accepted, and and it's working because we are in the morning. Now what I want is, what do I want? Right, so I said that I wanted to okay, so if I'm loading, okay, so in, do I do that here? I don't know. If, well, it's in the this one here. Right, so that's what I don't like. It's the fact that, yeah, I'm gonna do this into my controller because I don't like to do this. Wait, no, wait a minute. No, wait a minute. It's here. So if I'm, it's in the pin, that's what I want to avoid. So let's go to the pin. Okay, so I'm opening the pin. No, wait, it's not here. When do I open a level? Oh, is it on the phone? Could it? No, that doesn't make sense. It's here. Alright, so level load fade-in completed. Right, so that's where we're gonna, okay, that's where we're gonna get our game instance. So for this, I think it's gonna be better to do that into the init. get game instance. Yes. Right. And we're gonna code jump next period day. Here we go. To test this, okay, super simple. I'm just gonna put a breakpoint here. Yeah, breakpoint here, and I'm just gonna test it like that. So I need to accept a mission. Hello buddy, do you have a mission for me? Yes, perfect. Now I can select the mission here, and it's gonna be a breakpoint. I'm gonna look into it. Right, and we're going into the day. So now it's it's the day, right? Cool. All right, so with that being done, I think it's a good time to stop. Hey, sorry, the what will it? What I'm working on, it's what you mean, like what I'm working on today, or like the big project? Because if you're talking about the project in general, I'm trying to make hack and slash game influenced by, let's say, Bayonetta, Devil May Cry game, so stuff like this, except that I'm bringing a little bit of new flavor to it, which is the fact that you are actually fighting with the spirits. So you are controlling two characters. You have the main character and you have a spirit that is following you around, and you can do combo with this guy. But that's not it. The game is also about managing a guest house in the middle of the desert, so in the middle of nowhere. And that's what I've been working on today. So the guest house acts as a game hub, so that you have some guests that can go and wander around your guest house, so you can talk to them, ask them if they need anything. So that's gonna be they're gonna be the one that's gonna give you mission. So for example, this guy is telling me that there is a lot of bandits on the road, and it has been a really tricky. It has been tricky to get here. So I can say, okay, you know what? I can help you to kill all the bandits and secure the road. And he's like, okay, thank you, do it. And so now I can load my world map, choose the mission on the world map. So you see that there is a pin here. That's the mission. Forget about this. Make it so that nothing happened. And here we are. I'm on the road, and I can kill a bunch of bad guys. And that's the idea behind the game. Actually, that's the idea about the game. It's all about this, and it's all about what I'm trying to do is this. And that's it. And I was just saying that I will be ending the stream. I'm happy with the progress I'm making so far. Reminds me of Vindictus with a herb and instant mission. Vindictus, this one, I don't know this one. You made me curious. Vindictus, you say? Vindictus. Okay. So yeah, I don't know this one, but I would put that onto my watch list. Because yes, there is this kind of idea of having a game hub and the possibility to load a world map where you're gonna select the an instant mission where you want to go. It seems like it's pretty similar indeed. Vindictus. So it seems like it's a MMO, eh? Do we have a game hub here? It's made in the Hermod engine, which is why. You don't have a tavern, but you have a hop town where you get quests, etc., and then going into an instant mission. Okay, so yeah, I would say the overall game loop feels similar. This idea to have a game hub where you're taking the mission and then doing the mission and going back to the game hub every time you're completing a mission. So yeah, I would say that it has the same game loop vibe. Yeah. Okay, good. Well, I would put that onto my watch list then. I'll check that a little bit more. Thanks for the recommendation. But yeah, with that I was saying that I would end the stream. So sorry a little bit were late. You came in here right at the moment where I was ending the stream. So I'm sorry about that. But I hope you'll be there for the next stream. I'm streaming to every Tuesday, Thursday, and I'm streaming also Saturday and Sunday. So yeah. So thank you everybody. Thank you for being there, and I wish you a good day or good night depending on where or when you're watching this video. And I hope you'll be there for the next one. Thanks. 不爱回家的孩子都知道，进去过的孩子都知道，还在外边混的孩子都知道，被花过的孩子都知道，都知道。